That's a pretty nice bump. It's not quite 100 horsepower. Hey guys, I'm Nate. Welcome back to the channel. So what are we talking about today? Well, it's that Direct Connection parts catalog is released. I'll put a link down to it in the description. But let's go through some of these juicy parts and let's see if there's anything worthwhile in here. So if you guys remember, I was pretty excited about this when Dodge announced this whole Direct Connection program. Thought it was kind of cool that they were going to release these parts directly from the factory, backed by factory warranty. My feeling was, yeah, some of the stuff that you're going to find is going to be pretty safe in terms of upgrading your car. Even though for me, like, my warranty doesn't really matter because it's gone anyways. And one of the things that they kind of hinted at was this 100 horsepower upgrade for the Hellcat. And I was like, wow, that would be great to get that from the factory back, pretty safe tune there. So how do things stack up? So first of all, the whole catalog has a bunch of sections in it. One of the first sections is the crate engines. So the crate engines that Dodge is offering is the 345, the 392, the 6.2 standard Hellcat, the Redeye, and then the Elephant, right? The top of the line Elephant with that 426 supercharged, 1,000 horsepower out of a crate engine. $30,000 engine, but good luck getting one of those. Those are super rare. I don't know if you guys have seen the YouTube video of the guy that stuck a Elephant in a Chrysler 300. That was pretty damn awesome. All right, and then the other things they have as part of the crate engines is for the Redeye crate, they have a stage 1, stage 2 package. They haven't disclosed pricing or horsepower on those. I'd probably expect them to be very close to stage 1, stage 2 that's on the modern performance part. Then the last part is the drag pack. So they have a bunch of stuff on drag pack crates, drag pack parts. So that's pretty cool. All right, so on the modern performance, this is a section I was interested about. This is the stuff that's going to apply to all the new cars like the Hellcats, 392s, Redeyes. So we have a bunch of parts. They have a bunch of brake parts, brake rotors. They have a Redeye torque converter. They have a shifter and the shift knob. I'm not sure why you'd buy those. I went with the Barton unit, which I think is built like a tank. I don't think they're going to be able to match that. They have the drivetrain parts from the Redeye. So that's one of the, the common failure points on the Hellcat. So you can get the whole package, the drive shaft, the half shafts, the diff. Kind of expensive though. So I think it's like $5K for a whole kit. I don't know that you're better off with that or you're better off with just getting something else. So the next thing we got to talk about is the power upgrades, right? That's the stuff that everyone wants. That's the stuff that I was interested and excited about. So for both the Redeye and for the regular Hellcat, you're going to need a pre-stage kit to unlock any of these offerings. So the pre-stage kit comes, the same parts come in the pre-stage kit on both. It's 180-degree thermostat, air filter, and then the actual Direct Connection tuner. It does come with a base tune. So on the Redeye, you're bumping up to about 802 horsepower. And on the Hellcat, I think you're getting out to about 722 horsepower. So you're getting those, the pre-stage kits, and those pre-stage kits are about $1,200 for either one, Hellcat or Redeye. All right, so now where things get interesting on the Redeye is if you want 840 horsepower, which, keep in mind, that was how much the Demon was coming out with on race gas, you can get the Redeye to 840 horsepower with the stage 1. So this is on top of the pre-stage. Stage 1 costs $400 and will get you that tune to 840 horsepower. Nice little bump. And then if you want to take it to stage 2 on the Redeye, you're going to get another tune. You're going to get the Elephant pulley, and that's going to cost $1,200 on the Redeye, but that's going to take your Redeye now to 885 horsepower. That's a pretty nice bump. It's not quite 100 horsepower, but it's close to 90. I think, what is that, like 88 horsepower? Okay, cool. So that's the Redeye. So what about the Hellcat? We getting close to 100 horsepower bump there? Well, not so fast. So on the Hellcat, you got the pre-stage kit. There's really only one stage, so maybe Dodge is going to add a second stage at some point. But stage 1 for the Hellcat gets you the Elephant pulley and a tune, and it's going to take you to 757 horsepower, and that's going to cost you $900. So you add in the pre-stage $1,200 plus that $900. That's $2,100 to get you from, say, my Hellcat 2015 707 to 757 horsepower, 50 horsepower bump. I don't know that that's very cost competitive with aftermarket. The other thing you got to keep in mind about all of these Direct Connection parts is if you're getting this on a newer car that has the warranty and you want to keep that warranty, you're going to need to get these through Dodge. So you're going to have to go to a Dodge Power Broker, which is a dealer, And I'm sure every one of you guys knows getting stuff done at the dealer is a lot more expensive than getting it done at an indie shop or doing it yourself. So cost-wise, I don't know that this is a very cost-competitive offer here that Dodge has here, but I guess maybe that was naive thinking they were going to have a cost-competitive offer. All right, so some of the other cool stuff you can get the Redeye cylinder heads, which increases your regular Hellcat Redline to 6500. That's kind of nice. You can get the piston kit too from the Redeye. So you can basically build the internals of a regular Hellcat to be like a Redeye. It's not cheap, but you can do it. And then the other stuff I saw in the Cadillac that I thought was kind of neat was there's just a bunch of cosmetic parts. Like you get the dual snorkel hood, you can get the illuminated air catcher headlamps, and they also have a wide body kit in this package, right, from the factory, which is kind of nice. It does say you're gonna have to do a lot of drilling and cutting, but you could get it. So that's really it for this announcement. I mean, there's a bunch of other stuff, drag pack, there's a bunch of performance parts for the 5.7 liters, like cold air intakes and stuff like that. I don't know, guys. To be honest, I was a little underwhelmed. Let's see. John W had a good point, because I was pretty underwhelmed with the jailbreak. We're still got like 22 garage doors to open from this like 24 garage door thing they're trying to do in this send-off. So maybe we'll see some cool stuff. But right now, none of this is screaming to me like, oh great, direct connection is going to be awesome. I think you probably get a more cost-effective solution going to the aftermarket. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this one. Check out these next videos, and I'll see you there. Thanks. Bye.